Hello and welcome to a brand new video. On today's video, I'll be showing you how to buy an Apple gift card online very quickly on your phone, hassle-free, without having to go to any store in order to get said gift card. Now, the first thing you want to do is buy a phone. Just kidding. All you need to do is go to apple.com on whatever browser that you use. I'm using Safari because it's my favorite. Said no one ever. I don't know why I'm joking so much, but yeah, go to apple.com. Or you can go to the absolute link for the gift cards right away, which is www.apple.com/shop/gift-cards. So yeah, I took the liberty of going to the homepage right here on apple.com, and you'd want to scroll down to the very bottom of said website where you'll find Shop and Learn. You'll press that. It's going to go down like that. And on the last part of it, there's gift cards right there, right beneath accessories. Go to gift cards. While it loads for everything and everyone, and you can see over here, you want to go to the very top, press buy. And then you can choose to either mail an actual physical gift card to your mail or an email. Press email. You can choose a specific design. Apple's always kind of cool with these things. Let's choose the fog camo. Choose the amount. Let's say $100. Who's it for? Let's call the guy John Smith. His email's johnsmith@apple.com. And let's send it to himself. John Smith @apple.com. Now, I love you, John. You add a little personalized message to yourself. Why not? And it usually arrives in your email within an hour at the bag. And you pay for it however way you can, and you check out. That is it. Pretty nice and simple. Follow us for more videos if you enjoyed this.